very reminiscent of some rugged SUVs that you may know. It's still fast, and when you want to get going, it does so without any drama. Open sunroof, and it will automatically open the large panoramic sunroof. Hey guys, here we have the JAECOO J6, and we're going to be taking it for a POV drive. But before that, let's go ahead and take a walk around of the exterior and interior first. So we can see it has a boxy proportion here, very reminiscent of some rugged SUVs that you may know. But up front, you get this horizontal headlight with vertical DRLs and this interesting pattern. I believe that is the JAECOO logo. Down below the bumper, it does have some rugged design, but it's actually plastic. You have that silver trim right there. This is the wheel design for the J6. Very intricate. And I just love the overall proportion of this car, the squared off body. You also get pop outdoor handles right here. Now towards the rear, we can see that light signature again with the eye. This is a fully electric SUV. You can open the charging cover here. Opens up automatically, AC/DC capable. And to close it, just press that button there. To open the boot, it is still a side mounted tailgate, but you can see there's a lot of cargo space here at the back. And let's take a look at the back seat first. So getting in is quite easy because of the ride height, and it has a squared door opening, so getting in is easy. You have lots of legroom, footroom too, even though the floor is slightly raised. You have two air vents at the back, USB ports for charging, and the floor center is flat, so you can still sit 3 people abreast here in comfort with no problems whatsoever. This is the dash design. You have a large infotainment screen, and you can see the I logo right there on the middle of the 2 air vents. So let's go ahead and switch up to the front. There are also all-road badging on the door sills, illuminated. Once we step inside, it is also fairly easy going in. And you have this steering wheel that is kind of a square-shaped 3-spoke design. The center console, you have grab handles on either side. This is for your different driving modes, which we'll see later. And this is for your wireless charging. You get 2 cup holders right here. A floating style center console, so you can store more items down below, like a handbag. And you have a side opening center console, which is very deep, so you can store more items inside there. The driver gets a small digital display with your speed and your gear indicator. And yeah, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Door sound is alright. It's kind of solid, but yeah, the overall materials feel nice to the touch. You have soft touch, and the build quality is quite good. So here is the key for the JAECOO J6. It's still in plastic, but you do get a silver finish with your lock, unlock, and trunk release. Now to start it, just have the key fob inside the vehicle and press your foot on the brake. Now it is started up. There you go. The car is now ready to drive. So this knob right here controls your different driving modes. Now we are currently in sport. Still with that instant torque from the electric motors. And this being off-road inspired, you get your tilt and roll displays right here, and it shows your degrees. It also has auto hold function, You have a 360-degree camera. So here are some of your features. To open the glove box, you can open it here on the screen too. Your power folding side mirrors. Steering is fairly light. This is just an initial driving experience. And when you want to get going, it does so without any drama. But if you want to drive, very comfortably, and switch it to Eco, and now power is much more reserved. The delivery is linear because in Sport it just speeds up. It's easy to go fast in this car. The interior also features this brown accent, so you have it on the steering wheel with perforations. It is leather wrapped, feels nice to the touch. You also get a voice command system right here. Open sunroof, and it will automatically open the large panoramic sunroof, which looks really nice. Close sunroof. So it is a helpful feature because everything that you control here in the vehicle is within this touchscreen. There's not much road noise going inside the cabin. I also love the visibility of the car thanks to the squared off body. You got a great view of the road ahead, and the windshield is quite far from you. So now we are in Eco. It's still fast. And you get that electric whir when you accelerate. You get Infinity surround sound audio system. This is the door design. This is a button to open the doors, and your window switches are minimalist. You have these toggle switches right here, exposed screws just to give it that off-road appeal. But yeah, the overall material usage here is nice. You have soft touch points throughout. Even has some stitching here on the dash. The steering wheel is tilt and telescopic. Thanks to the 360 camera, I can see if I can make that U-turn. Okay guys, that was a quick POV drive of the JAECOO J6. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. To turn it off, well, I just have to put it in park, no?